Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at how you can use the paste command to merge multiple lines of text into a single line. So let's say you have a file that looks like this. We have 7 lines of text. So we're going to run a paste command like this. The blank there in the single quotes means that the lines will be separated by blanks so that words don't get squished together. So there's the command, and there's what you see. And if we want to save that to another file, just redirect the output into a file. We're calling this one line. And then after I do it, I'm going to look at the file with the WC command to count the lines to show you that yes, it really does have only 1 line. Well, that's your Linux tip for the paste command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.